once Alberta agriculture was made aware of Bertalan, then, and they started to work together, they realized that they were onto something here, and the Rhodiola commercialization team was put together, and this whole project started to take shape.
Nanton Nutraceuticals is the innovative pharmaceutically holistic branch of Nanton Water and Soda, a Canadian company entering its 28th year of business. Proud to be one of the oldest water supply companies in Canada, they now operate all across North America, the United States, and Japan. Nanton Nutraceuticals is a family company committed to producing the highest quality Rhodiola rosea products available today, unlike anything else found on the market. Investing heavily in the research and development of every stage of product progress, Nanton Nutraceuticals is proudly accountable for every step of quality invested into Rhoziva, from field to finished product.
We are the Argo Corps.
And we are Rhodiola rosea.
I'm part of an organization called Argo, and my role, part of my role in that organization, and I'm a director. I am a large grower of it. I believe in it. I'm a mentor to other growers. I teach and educate people how to become growers and giving them the information. So that's basically what I do, from developing Argo stronger in Alberta, making sure that we have enough good quality growers coming to the table that want to be involved in this exciting product called Rhodiola rosea.
I began to hear about Rhodiola, and then I hadn't ever thought about growing it until rose root is only the second North American herb after ginseng to be recognized as an adaptogen, a herb with the ability to restore the body and mind after physical and mental exertion and stress. So I started to, I was immediately interested in this concept of adaptogens, because it wasn't really treating a medical condition. It was herbs that could enhance our quality of life. Was really intriguing, because here was something that the Russians had studied and kept as a state secret in the 60s and 70s. And it seemed from their actions that they must be onto something. Their level of secrecy around it was suggestive that they were onto something very special.
Rhoziva is based on a root called Rhodiola rosea. And Rhodiola rosea has been used for centuries in Europe, in Russia, in China. That's where it's traditionally grown. And now, of course, it's being grown here in Alberta because we have a very similar climate. But what Rhodiola rosea does is, it is a hardy plant, and it supports people when they're in a stressful situation. And the way it does that is such a simple mechanism. It balances the stress responses of the body. There are two separate stress response systems. There's the sympathetic parasympathetic, and then there's the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal. It's called the HPA axis. So when those two stress systems are working very hard, hormones will be sent out, and what Rhodiola rosea does is to help balance the stress response so that people have more endurance, more energy to deal with stress. And what I've been finding in people who've been taking the Rhodiola rosea and who've been taking Rhoziva, they come back and they say, wow, I feel like I've had a step up, that I can get ahead, that I've got an ability to do what I wanted to do, but just never felt that I had the energy, that I felt too worn out. And so people are having amazing results with just feeling their chronic stress is relieved.
At Nanton Nutraceuticals, quality assurance is considered to be of the utmost importance. Rhoziva adheres to and surpasses all Canadian government quality control testing standards and protocols to bring you the absolute best Rhodiola rosea product available anywhere in the world. Our stringent product testing regimen is designed to give you, the customer, the very highest standards of quality and safety. Here's what we do. Selecting seed and growers is the first step in our long line of important stages of producing Rhoziva. Pre-harvest testing is done to ensure the crops contain the correct amount of active ingredients. Drying and preparing the root for extraction at low temperatures to preserve active ingredients before it moves on to further testing. The Canadian Phytopharmaceuticals Corporation performs our extraction process testing, ensuring customer safety. Product standardization follows, ensuring the industry standard of at least 3% total rosivins. Pharmaceutical-grade vitamins and minerals are added to the extract, yielding the optimum synergistic proprietary formulation. Once again, our proprietary formula is tested to be certain that it maintains the proper ratio of ingredients. Award-winning facility BioPack takes care of Rhoziva's packaging and encapsulation. On top of CanPhytos and BioPack's assurances, Nanton Nutraceuticals engages an independent, highly regarded quality assurance expert to audit and maintain our extremely high standards for quality and safety. Our audit stands up to the extremely high standards required for pharmaceutical-grade testing. Our commitment to you, the very best Rhodiola rosea on the market, period.
There's nothing better than just get focused. You know, I got interested in rhodiola because I believe in the health. And then the first time, because what I wanted to do with spits later on, I was in the process of doing it when we sold, is to add vitamins and minerals to it. Because I really believe in the health concept. And that's why when he came and he said, you know, what do you think of the rhodiola? I says, man alive. I says, now you got something I was always interested in. And I says, we can do something with that. But the energy, like I really, after you know, I felt it after 3 or 4 days. And then, you know, some people, they say, where do you get the energy from? I said, oh. And now I just say, take these pills, and I say, you'll be amazed what happens. It is good, and it makes you sharper, and it gives you more energy, and it kind of gives you the oomph. I think it is awesome stuff. And I think Brad is onto something, and let's prove him right.
I'd never heard of Rhodiola rosea before. I'd never seen the product before. And after it was introduced, and after doing some research and better understanding the product, it became very obvious to me that there was a neat product opportunity here. Well, I was intrigued with the idea that it was an Alberta-based agricultural product, a product that can be grown at higher altitudes in the northern hemisphere. So it was an agricultural opportunity and an opportunity to add value to a product that was based and that can be grown in Alberta. You know, I've spent about 25 years working in consumer packaged goods in Canada, and when I first looked at the health benefits and the opportunity for the product, I saw it as having great potential. Alberta Agriculture had done a lot of work on the Rhodiola product and the benefits of the product here, so. You know, I became very intrigued with the product right away, and saw this as a great opportunity. Having worked at Spitz and been a partner in Spitz sunflower seeds, it seemed like it was a very similar story. 25 years ago, no one really considered growing sunflower seeds in Alberta. There is a parallel here with where Tom was 25 years ago and starting all over again. You know, a new product for Alberta agriculture to grow and develop and help farmers to increase their revenue per acre. And so, quite interestingly, here we are 25 years later and seeing a product that has great consumer benefits, great health and wellness benefits, and a product that's been well established in Europe, relatively new in Canada. I saw that as a good business opportunity.
The success story to me would be someday seeing our product on the shelf.
The catalyst. It was a convergence of
disparate elements, the buzz coming up from Rhodiola plus our access to the cutting edge world leader in research was a combination, I think, that really got the ball rolling.